The all-new Audi Q3 SUV obtained a 5-star rating in the latest Euroncap safety tests. The 2025 Audi Q3 achieved a score of 87% in adult occupant safety. The Audi Q3's passenger compartment remained stable in the frontal offset test, offering good protection to the knees and femurs of both front occupants. Side impact tests showed good protection for all critical body areas, while far side protection was adequate, though the center airbag did not always prevent head contact. Chest protection in the full-width rigid barrier test was marginal, and the driver experienced submarining, meaning that the pelvis of the driver dummy slipped beneath the lap portion of the seatbelt. The Q3 also features an advanced e-call system, secondary collision prevention, and doors and windows that remain operable after submersion. Whiplash protection was good for both front and rear seats. The 2025 Audi Q3 achieved a score of 86% in child occupant safety. In crash tests, the Audi Q3 provided good or adequate protection to all critical body areas for both 6 and 10-year-old dummies in the frontal offset test and achieved maximum points in the side barrier impact. The Audi Q3 offered good or adequate head protection for pedestrians and cyclists, though poor results were seen around the windscreen pillars in the top and base of the screen. Pelvis, femur, knee, and tibia protection were all rated good across test areas. The car's autonomous emergency braking system effectively detected pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles, performing well in tests. However, protection for people behind the vehicle and against during incidents is optional and was not included in this assessment. The system also showed good responses to motorcyclists. Regarding the safety assist, the Audi Q3's autonomous emergency braking system performed well in tests against other vehicles. Seatbelt reminders are standard for both front and rear seats, and the car includes an indirect driver monitoring system that detects fatigue but not distraction. Guys, what are your thoughts on the new Audi Q3? Let us know in the comments. Thanks.